Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are starting our drive from White House towards the Bomas of Nakuru. I love my city. Nakuru is such a vibe, so clean. As we are driving you can spot the jacaranda trees, they are so beautiful, it's their blooming season. Oh, so lovely. The roads are surrounded by so much greenery, really refreshing. I think this is a flower farm, I'm not quite sure, but people from around can comment down there and tell us. By the way, kama unapenda hizi views, subscribe for more. Once you arrive, what catches your eye is this beautiful flowery garden that they have. The landscaping is top notch. There are beautiful flowers, as you can see. The garden is big enough to host maybe like a party or a wedding. So watch along and see how therapeutic it is. Kindly help the channel grow by liking, sharing, and also commenting. Feel free also to ask any questions about this place. I'll be so active in the comments, replying to everyone. We then got to the most interesting part of our farm visit. Have you ever seen such a bird? These were imported from Australia. Spot its blue neck. Oh, and they were a bit playful too. I wonder what it's seeing there. Hii nayo si chakula, my friend. Maybe it's lacking calcium or something. What do you think? Our day ended calmly with this little one, just chilling here. Thank you all for watching. Kindly subscribe for more adventures like this one. Till next time, bye.